Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 11. Filling and lifting. Chintu and Shambhu saw a poster at a juice shop. The poster said, "Drink 6 glasses of juice and get your money back." Chintu said, "I can drink 6 of these small glasses." But Shambhu looked at his big glass and said, "No, I cannot drink 6 big glasses." Let's think. A small glass holds less juice. A big glass holds more juice. So even if both drink 6 glasses, Chintu will drink less juice and Shambhu will drink much more juice. Moral of the story. All glasses are not the same. Some are small, some are big. So the amount inside also changes. Next topic. Whose glass holds more? One day, Neeta and Monu went to visit their friend Ritu. Ritu's mother gave them glasses of milk. Neeta said, "I drink so much milk." Monu said, "No, I drink more milk than you." Neeta replied, "But my glass is big." So, who really drank more milk? Just then, Ritu's elder sister came. She had a smart idea to find out. She took 3 same-sized glasses and poured milk from each of their glasses into these new ones. Ritu had the most milk, Monu had some, and Neeta had the least. Next topic, a measuring bottle. This is a measuring cup. It is used to measure 1 liter of milk. Neeta sees the milkman every day. He pours milk using this special measuring cup. She asks, "Why does he use this cup?" It is because the milkman wants to give the exact amount of milk to everyone, not more, not less. That's why he uses a measuring cup. Now, Neeta wants to learn more. She picks up a bottle that holds 1 liter of water. She pours this water into different containers. Neeta pours water from the 1 liter bottle into the jug. The jug gets completely full. So, the jug also holds exactly 1 liter. Next topic, heavy or light. Chintu is holding 3 textbooks in one hand and a pencil box in the other hand. He counts 1, 2, 3, all the way to 30 seconds. Then he says, "Oh no, this hand is too heavy." Why is it heavy? Because 3 textbooks are heavier than 1 small pencil box. Textbooks are heavier than the pencil box. Pencil box is lighter than the textbooks. Next topic, how much is 1 kilogram? Chintu and his parents are looking for items at home that weigh 1 kilogram. What is 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is a unit of weight. It is the same as the weight of a small bag of rice or a big bottle of water. Next example, Chintu looks at a 1 liter bottle of milk. It also weighs 1 kilogram. Next topic, more than 1 kilogram. A school bag can weigh more than 1 kilogram because it holds books and other things. A big watermelon can also weigh more than 1 kilogram. Next topic, less than 1 kilogram. A pencil box is lighter than 1 kilogram. A banana is usually less than 1 kilogram. Thanks for watching.